Hi dearest, so today we're going to learn how to mold this fantastic hat. So before we get into that, let us take a look at who won this game challenge, and it is Eunice Kerabo. I hope I pronounced that well. Congratulations. So please do contact us in the link below in our Dvent Craft Academy link to collect your gift. And remember who won this? It was IJ Pink Pink. Now she has given her gift over to Joy Okongo. Congratulations. Please do contact us at the same link to collect your gift. Now up to today's tutorial, how to mold this fantastic wine hat, but I molded mine in silver. Now we made use of these two molds. What you need to do is put the small one on top of the big one, and then you take your sellotape and hold it together. Now why you're using sellotape is so that it doesn't move and change the shape you want. It's possible to get the mold in one piece, I think. I'm not so sure, but I could only get it separate. So joining it like this with sellotape all around to hold it firmly was the first thing that I did. Once you're done with that, you know what to do. You cover it with nylon, you put your cream on top, but before then you need to check the measurement. Now it was 18 inches and I added 3 more inches, making it 21, and I've cut out my cinnamon. In this case, I'm going to use only 2 layers of cinnamon. So yes, I told you can use 2 or 3. Actually, you can even use 1 when making for a baby. That's what I do. So then what I did was I've soaked it in my stiffener, and then I put it, remember the one you put on top, you put it diagonally, and then you check and ensure that it can cover up like I'm doing over here, and then you start painting. Remember, north, south, east and west. Now if you don't know how to finish up, please do check links below this description to know how to mold and how to block your hat. Okay, the next thing, it has dried after 3 days because of the raining season. If not, 1 day is okay. And then I remove the pins, and now I'm cutting it all round. The next thing I do is bring it out from the mold. And that's how I molded this fantastic hat. You need to stay tuned to watch how I designed the hat, how we did everything. If you love this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss the full story of the video on how to make this lovely silver hat, please do click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I put up that video. And before you go, do check this next video to learn more on how to mold hats. Thank you for staying with me to the very end. Till we meet next time, is goodbye and God bless.